Rakesh, look at this tiny green leaf. It looks so simple. But can you guess how many tiny living units are inside it?
Maybe hundreds?
That's a good guess.
But the real answer is far more amazing. This tiny leaf contains millions of living cells.
Yes!
Millions?
Yes. Every plant, every animal, and even your own body is made of cells. Let's shrink ourselves and explore this amazing microscopic world.
Now let us understand the plant cell. The plant cell is the basic structural and functional unit of a plant. Just like our body is made up of millions of cells, every plant is made up of tiny cells. Let's look at the different parts of this plant cell one by one. First, we have the cell wall. The cell wall is the outermost layer of the plant cell. It is strong and rigid, giving the plant support, protection, and a fixed shape. Just inside the cell wall is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is thin and flexible. It controls what enters and what leaves the cell. Now look at the green jelly-like substance inside the cell. This is called cytoplasm. The cytoplasm fills the inside of the cell and holds all the cell organelles in place. Most of the cell's activities happen here. Next is nucleus. Nucleus is called the control center or the brain of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell and contains the genetic material or DNA. Notice these green oval-shaped structures. These are called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. They capture sunlight and help the plant make its own food through the process of photosynthesis. This is one of the biggest difference between plant cell and animal cells. Look at the large blue-colored structure in the center. This is the large vacuole. It stores water, nutrients, and waste materials. Finally, we have the mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. They release energy from the food. Let's quickly revise the plant cell. Cell wall gives the cell strength, support, and protection. Cell membrane controls what enters and what leaves the cell. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like structure where most cell activities take place. Nucleus, the control center of the cell. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll and helps the plant make its own food by photosynthesis. Large vacuole stores food, water, and keeps the cell firm and upright. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Remember, cell wall, chloroplast, and a large vacuole are the special features of a plant cell.
Now Rakesh, can you say what are the main features of the plant cell? Yes, teacher. Cell wall, chloroplasts, and one large central vacuole.
Excellent. Today we learned the amazing features of the plant cell. But here's a question. If animal cells don't have a cell wall or chloroplasts, then how do they survive? We'll discover that in our next class. See you then.